Turkey. What else do you see, Siaara? Okay, let's open. Okay, Siaru, can you tell Mama what is this?
Tiger.
This one.
Lion.
Lion. And this one?
Potato.
And this?
Apple.
Okay. And on this side, Siaara, what is this?
Hippo.
Hippo. And this? Okay, next page. This one, Siaru, what is this?
Monkey.
This is monkey, yes. And this one? Bear. And this?
Gorilla.
Gorilla. Very good. Siaru, what is this?
Buck.
Black buck. Okay, Siaara. Let's go to next page. What is this?
Panda.
Panda. This one? Giraffe. And this one? Leopard, beta, leopard. What is this?
Leopard.
Very good. Do you know what is this?
Camel.
Camel. Okay, Siaara. Okay, can you tell me what is this?
Bamboo.
Very good.
Moo.
Yes, and this one, Siaara?
Moo.
Tinamu. And this one, Siaara?
Martin.
Crane. And this one? Okay, and this one? This is Chichi. Okay. Okay, Siaara, do you know what is this? This one. What is this?
Peacock.
Peacock. And what is this?
Dum.
What is this? Can you repeat, Siaara? What is this? This one? Penguin. Okay, Siaara, what is this?
Talking.
Very good. And this one?
Kitty.
Turkey. Very good. Siaara, what is this?
Pretty.
Pigeon. Clapping, Siaru.